This spring, I started growing a trellis of yard-long beans. Cut aloe vera into small pieces and put them in a glass of clean water. I'm preparing a solution to help the seeds germinate faster and prevent pests and mold very effectively. Dip a piece of cheesecloth into the aloe water, making sure it's fully soaked. Of course, we can't forget the yard-long bean seeds. Spread the seeds evenly over the fabric of the cheesecloth. Fold it up and place the cloth in a cup to let the seeds incubate. The seeds have all sprouted. Their thick roots are pushing right through the fabric. The seeds that didn't sprout will be removed. I've prepared some small starter pots. Select the strong, healthy sprouts and plant them carefully into each pot. Cover them with a thin layer of soil. And spray some water to keep the soil moist and loose. I repurpose old water jugs and plastic bottles into planters for the yard-long bean. The old plastic containers are drilled with many small round holes to prevent the plants from waterlogging. This method is quite economical and protects the environment. You just need to be a little clever. The old plastic bottles, I attach them to the containers, creating a reservoir to slowly provide nutrients to the plants. I take short pieces of fabric strips. One end of the strip goes inside the plastic bottle, and the other end hangs outside to slowly wick the nutrients to feed the plants. Mix the soil, rice husks, and composted chicken manure evenly. Then fill up the plastic containers. Look at this. The yard-long bean seeds that sprouted the other day have now become young plants. Today, I will transplant them into larger containers. I'm using aloe vera again. Cut into small pieces and put into a cup. But this time, I also use turmeric powder. Put it together in the cup. Fill it with hot water. Cover with a cloth and let it steep for 2 hours. Dilute the solution in the cup with clean water. A little organic biofertilizer powder. This mixture stimulates root growth, boosts resistance, and makes the soil looser. Now, I will build a climbing trellis for the plants. secure the curved steel frames using small wooden stakes. The bean trellis is growing quite well. To stimulate the plants to flower and bear fruit, I mix a solution of fermented banana and molasses into clean water. Banana water is rich in potassium, stimulating flowering and fruiting. And diluted molasses helps the soil microbiome thrive, making the soil more fertile and nutrient rich. Banana water again. I need to stimulate the plants to produce even more fruit. The most anticipated day has finally arrived. Let's harvest together. I'm thinking about what dish my family will cook tonight from these fresh, delicious, yard-long beans. Look at this, a basket full of yard-long beans. Thank you guys for watching until the end of the video. Please hit like and subscribe to the channel below to support me